Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Dennis. So last week we talked about cables. This week we're going to talk about different cables. Alright, so the last one, DisplayPort cables. Obviously you need the right ones. But this time we're branching out. We're going to talk about 3 different types of cables. Ones that you'll need, ones that you could need, or you just might be interested in. So in order to explain what that means, we're going to have a quick look and we'll go over them. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the cables. So it's 3 different ones. We have Cabletime, which is the name of the company, 60 watt USB-C lanyard cable. We'll go into that in a bit. We have HDMI to DisplayPort cable with USB-A power, and we have USB 4 version 2.0 full function USB-C cable. Alright, they all come with 2-year warranties. And we're going to get them out and have a look at them and explain what it's all about. But first, let's go over some of the different things. So we have our 60 watt USB-C lanyard cable. All right, it's pretty much what you see. 480 megawatts super speed. Part projection, AI, I don't know what that means. It looks just like a cable, but maybe these things come off. Let's explore. We'll get that out in a second. And of course, you have your HDMI, which most laptops or desktops are going to have, to DisplayPort. So sometimes you want one or you want the other, and you want different connections instead of just using DisplayPort like I had in the other one. This one is going to give you 4K at 60 Hertz, video support, 2K at 120 Hertz, high refresh, and of course, aluminum. And finally, our USB 4. Version 2.0 full function USB-C cable. You have up to 80 gigabyte a second, super speed, 8K at 60 Hertz, video support, 240 watts power delivery, and aluminum. Alright, let's get these open and explore a little bit more. The other thing, of course, this is 0.5 feet, or sorry, 0.5 meters. This is 2 meters, and I don't know what this is. We'll have to open it up and find out. So let's do that. Alright, so the one I'm kind of more interested in is the lanyard. Alright, so it shows on here, okay, it's wrapped around and it's plugged into your phone. So I'm kind of curious to see what that's all about. It says the connector is a USB-C male connector, because that's probably why it's talking about the transmission rate. I guess it just secures it so to your phone. Suitable for USB-C interface device. So not just your phone, but any USB-C device. And has a silicone metal jacket and an aluminum alloy. 60 watts, 20 volt, 3 amp. Okay, let's get it out and have a look. Alright, we'll get it out. I am curious on this one more than any of the other ones, because I want to see. Okay, nothing else in the box. You have your little warranty card, and you have a thank you from the company, of course. So it's packaged, it's a Ziploc type bag. Open her up. And oh, that's kind of a nice feel to it. It's more, it's kind of rubberized the way the feel is. Okay, it's connected there. Let's see what else we got here. I'm not really sure what that is. It's kind of like a zip tie, but not. And some connector devices. These are probably just extras. But I want to see if this separates. Because I have a feeling that it does. Okay, so these are replacements for these. So if these get broke, you've got an extra. That's what that is. So this is come undone. I thought so. So we're going to undo this. Oh, and look. USB-C to connect to your device. And on the other end here, it's going to come off as well. So, USB-C, USB-C. Right, that's kind of cool. One thing that's very clear, these are very well made. I like that they put their branding on here, and they put this on the end to protect it. So when it's in your phone, this isn't going to bend here, it'll bend here. So thereby, when you're taking it in and out, you got a little more hold on it, and it's going to make it a lot easier. It feels really good, actually. So we're going to set that aside. And we're going to read up a little bit more on it and see if there's anything more on that one. So it connects like this. So basically this goes on your wrist. And this somehow is connecting to your phone. Alright, so they show it like in the picture here. And that's how it's connecting. Now, I don't see how that's going to go. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to come back to that once I can establish how it works. But in any case, you have a USB-C to USB-C cable. It's very short. And you know what? That might be all you need. So let's move on to HDMI to DisplayPort cable. Very basic, very simple. They show you how you can connect even like your monitor to your PlayStation, things like that. All right, not much more to go over there really. And this one looks pretty good so far. Cable inside. There's another user manual inside this. And looks like we got two different cables. Oh no, this is really cool. So you have two different connectors on here for your HDMI and branching off to USB and DisplayPort. So we're going to have to delve into these a little bit more and see exactly what they're all about. Okay, so this one's a little bit easier to understand. So when you look at the picture, you see that they got USB and HDMI plugged into probably the DisplayPort. All right, so you have these different cables. Okay, you're going to plug those in. Use your DisplayPort and your monitor, depending on what you have. And you're going to get power from the USB. And then you have your cables that are just connected together, working to power your devices. All right, so you have DisplayPort, male, USB-A for power, and of course, like I said, your HDMI male cable. And it just connects, very simple, two cables on one end, one on the other, and you connect them, and that's how it's going to work. Pretty basic, but what I like about it is your cabling. These are very thought out. They could have put them all together, but it probably saves you money by buying it to do it this way. Right? They've got a really nice sheathing on here. They even tell you which one is the input. All right? Little reminders, and which one is the output. All right? So you can't really go wrong. This one goes in, this one comes out, and your USB for your power. All right? Very simple. Not really much you can get confused with on there. So those are the cables, nicely braided, which I might add. And of course, then we have our USB 4. All right? And on the back, it's just straight on cable. USB-C, male cable, both ends. And we'll get that out and have a quick look at it. Of course, you have your manual again. And nothing else in the box. And Ziploc bag again, just open her up. And USB-C to USB-C. They were providing a discount code, so look in the description for that to get yours at a discount. So Cabletime is the branded model. All right, and it shows you on here. All right, gives you some information. 80 gigahertz, 8K, 240 watts. All right, pretty simple. You can't go wrong because it tells you right on the cable what it's capable of. And this one, of course, is a little bit shorter, probably about 3 feet. It's 0.5 meters, so whatever that is in inches and feet, I'm going to say it's just a little over a foot, maybe about a foot, 6 inches, something like that. And that's all your cables. Very basic, but very sturdy, very well made. Can't really go wrong. Good product, good quality. I do want to find out a little bit more about this though, so give me a minute. All right, so this is actually pretty neat. USB-C lanyard cable. So it's a little bit more than just that. So yeah, you can plug it in to your phone and you can charge it up. And if you just need a little short cable, that's great. But if you don't want to use your phone, or you want to have it on your phone, but you also want to keep your keys handy, this opens up. All right, this right here. Open it up, you got a keychain. All right, put all your keys on there, keep them protected, keep ice, rain, snow, whatever, keep it out of there. Same thing on the other end. And it's a keychain as well. Keep it on your lanyard, all that kind of good stuff. That's pretty cool. I have not seen something like that before. I'm impressed with it. And their cables itself, no, can't really go wrong. Their cables themselves, you can't really go wrong. USB-C connector cables, just typical USB-C to USB-C. And for your Switch, for your PlayStation, whatever you want to use the other one for. All right. Like I say, very well made. I was a little impressed with this. This actually, more than anything else, impressed me with the lanyard. I can't imagine that most people know what that is when they first see it. But the fact that it's got a little keychain thing, USB to USB-C, a little very short. Want to use that in your phone, or in your car rather. I think it'd be very handy. Plug it in, like a lot of cars have a little bit of USB-C on it, so you can charge your phone up, keep your keys handy. I like it. All right, that's just a little short video on the cables. The lanyard I really like. It sounds silly, but I think it's something you're going to like a lot. Just having that little device with the keychains and your cable all in one spot, attached to your phone if you want it to be, it works. Whoever came up with that, they knew what they were doing. And the one for your Switch or your PlayStation, another great feature. So, you know, things like this people don't think about too much, but if that's the kind of cable that you need, go ahead and get one. Prices are pretty good. They do offer a 20% discount at times. I think they're going to give me one to put in the video. And so check that out, apply the discount, and get what you need. They don't just have these 3 products. They have a whole host of other products. So check out their website, check out what they got. I'll put a link in the description for both the discount code and to their website so you can check them out. All right. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have questions. If you're new here, think about subscribing and hit that bell for notifications for videos as they come up in the future. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.